Do you want to know how to create star ratings like this? It's very simple. You can try this method. Use the formula of REPT followed by Alt plus dot, and after that you must choose the rating. The column is C5, and there you have it. You have a star. Now you can put in your movie night ratings as well as customer feedbacks. This simple technique. Next, do you want to create a checklist which after you finish a thing you want to check off? Use this simple method using conditional formatting. Under the rules, you can choose the strike through option, and you can click on the color you want and you can choose none, and you can also choose the format notes and choose the custom format note. You can type in the formula, and that's it. If you finish doing that, you'll be able to cross out the things that you don't want to, and you can actually use this checklist for whenever things you want.